All right, we got Evil Maddie over here.
What's up, guys? I'm over here trying to pick a color for my Audi.
Oh, okay. So you gonna tell him what you're doing with this?
No. It's
Okay.
I don't even know yet.
But it's not for your Evo.
It's
for your Audi.
My Evo's being wrapped right now. The Audi is the next project. I'm trying to pick a cool color for her, but still stay a little bit unnoticed.
Stocked?
Not stocked. I want to be like not too loud, but like still fun. That's my
okay
goal for her. So I'm not gonna tell you guys. You'll find out. Follow my YouTube channel so you can find out the color.
I'll link her YouTube channel right over here. So how you doing on YouTube?
It's good. It's a slow progress to gain traction, but it's been fun.
Yeah.
Very time consuming.
Oh, you got more IG followers than YouTube, which
they don't translate.
I know.
They don't come from one platform to the other. I feel like my YouTube following has come from other YouTube like platforms, other famous people.
You got to collab, that's why.
Collabing is key.
Now that you're going to be up north, right? You're going to collab with all the boys that I hang out with?
I hope so. I want to meet all the cool Sacramento people and then the cool Bay Area people. And
it's only me in Sacramento.
Oh, okay.
They're all coming from San Jose or Oakland.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, if you're cool, I'll hang out with you. We'll collab.
Okay.
Maybe a blue, maybe a red, who knows?
We'll see. Check it out on her channel, guys.
Yeah.
All right, so here are my drift spares. I got all sanded down. I didn't get it on camera because it's boring. You know, you guys don't want to watch me sand this thing. So basically, if you watch my last video where I got these, they're kind of like a shiny black chrome almost. Hyperchrome, something like that. But they were all curb rashed. You can see some remnants of it still. But these aren't a big deal because when you don't really need to sand them all down perfect. When you paint over them, it's going to be fine. So I'm painting them to match my 240 wheels in white. So it's super easy. You don't even need to clear coat this paint. This you can get from Home Depot. You want to get the 2x Ultra Cover paint and primer. I find that this stuff is the easiest to use. It goes on super smooth. It coats a lot. So one of these bottles can probably do like both wheels probably if I got the bonus version. You want to do the back first, the inside, then you flip the face over, and then you do the face last. And with the nice thing about this stuff is that it's paint and primer, so you don't have to mess with primering it, then painting, and all that stuff. You just spray this on, and if you chip something or you curb rash it, you can just sand it down real quick and spray it over. You don't even need to clear coat this because it comes out super glossy. All right, so we got the wheel off. I'm gonna try the drift spares on before we go do this event. So let's get these wheels over here next to this beautiful skyline. And let's try them. It's looking good, okay. The tire is a little different, so we'll see what it looks like once I drop it to the ground here. But it fits, I hope. Okay, so there's the front with it on the ground, and there's the back. So here's the whole picture of the whole thing. It does look a little funny with the way that tire size is, but I'm gonna burn through that tire probably this weekend, and then we can upgrade to these type of tires so that it kind of matches. Yeah, that fatter tire kind of works, oddly. Interesting. Yeah, 245/45, and then this is a 205/45. So if I ran a 245/40 all around, I think it would look a lot better because it's not so fat and it looks good. Okay. Well, at least I got drift spares and I can burn through these, and they kind of match because they're both white. Let's go, baby. Today we are in Tahoe we're behind the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Oh, there you go. This is the man that helped organize. One of the guys that organized it. You guys saw him in my previous vlogs. And how'd you guys get this done?
I don't it was put together like literally last minute.
You guys were like, hey, hotel people, let me get hella cars over here.
Basically, and then Car Shop Boba joined and had to set up everything, and then Sac City Auto Parts, they did the whole car show part and everything. So,
and over here we got my man Elijah. Elijah actually owns that car, so he's not the original owner, but he bought it from the original owner, and he's gonna be here to cameraman for me.
Gotcha,
He's got the GoPro.
Gotcha.
All right. So I got my drift spares on right here. Okay, and the whole drift course is over there on that side. So we're gonna get in the car. I'm gonna strap my helmet on, and we're gonna try drifting. Yes. Hopefully, I don't need to be towed.
no, you'll be fine. I'll pull you in the Laurel.
Oh, you pull me?
I'll pull you in
Hey,
the
I got the tow cable in my car.
We got zip ties, bubble gum, everything. We are good. We are good.
Let's go. Okay. All right. So right now the 240 is not starting, and these nice gentlemen here are helping me with figuring out. It looks like it's a spark plug issue, maybe. So we're taking them all off and we're testing it. But it didn't make it all the way up here, so we'll see what happens. This is not the most reliable motor, I don't think. Well, it was reliable before because I was drifting this for like all day.
No, it's fine. I mean, it's still holding the good. Yeah, your battery's fine. It's still holding 11.5 volts when you.
40 or anything? I have a Laurel. I got RB25.
All right, guys. Hallelujah. It started. I got all these wonderful people over here. This guy's been with me for like the last couple hours. This guy sitting around in a chair. But
A lot of people are gonna say that. Mark's always
hey, but this gentleman knows this gentleman, and this is the magician. He came over. He's like, listen, just unplug this one. This fuse. He just said unplug the fuel pump, and it was flooded, right? So as soon as we did that, it started. You're the man. What was your name again, sir? Chris. Okay, thank you, Chris. He actually runs this thing, specializing. Oh, is this? There you go. Cali Custom Alignments. Hit him up. He's in Sacramento, right, sir? Yeah. All right, there's the info. He knows everything about what? What kind of cars do you specialize in?
240s.
240s, anything.
You got it.
School buses. He knows it all. All right. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, all you guys. All you guys for so much for helping me out. All right, guys, we're about to get ready to get on the track here. They're doing some stuff with the motorcycles right now, but I passed tech and we're all ready to go. Some of these guys are so nice, let me borrow a fire extinguisher, so we're all set. You guys know I got the Paradox stickers on here, just like Top Gun, baby. Let's go. right, this is Mike. I'm gonna plug his IG right here. He's the Drift King, right around here. He's gonna make this car look good.
Something happened where I hit a bump
Uh-huh.
and the steering wheel just got yanked out of my hand.
Okay.
So
It looked good though when you went back over there.
I just kept kicking.
I know
it,
you
but
gotta kick the fuck out of
You
it.
need to air the tires up as high as you can get them, like 80 psi.
Okay.
So that and then maybe power steering. It'll
Yeah.
help a lot. Even like put an electric
But
rack in it.
thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you for drifting. You the man. All right, final day. We just checked out of this hotel. It's a very nice hotel right by the lake in Tahoe. It's called the Diamond Resort. The only bad thing about this thing is the Wi-Fi sucks. But the 240's right here. I hope it starts today and we can make it home. So we'll see. If there's more drama on the way home, I will definitely get this on camera for you guys. But yeah, definitely need more power. I think I'm gonna go with the motor swap after this event because it sucked. You just can't really slide it well in that kind of track where it's kind of like a little bit compact when you're so underpowered. So all right, let's see if it starts. Okay guys, so that was quite an adventure because on the way down from the mountain, the car kind of like was really struggling to just hold an idle and kind of spluttered. So I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but once I got down the hill, the thing was running fine, just like normal. So I'm guessing that it might be the altitude. I'm not sure, but overall the problem with that motor is that it's just too weak to even be drifting. You can slide around and stuff like that, but just for fun, but to do it on the track, it really struggles and you just gotta clutch kick the crap out of it. So it's time to get a new motor. So on the next episode, we are going to show you the new motor I got and we're gonna start the process of putting it in. So I really appreciate all of my car friends for showing up and helping me get the motor started because it just wasn't working and it flooded out. Without them, I would have been towed home instead of being able to do the whole event. Huge thanks to Evil Madi for showing up and cameoing and maybe checking out some of my colors. So in the future, she might show up and we'll do some episodes with her. So stay tuned for that. So until next time guys, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later.